bee from a honeycomb. The basket falls from the sky right next to him.
Ooh, a flying basket? Or is it a gift? A treasure? Or is it food?
Look how the bear sniffs the basket.
I must hurry and get this basket before someone sees it. Phew, this is heavy. What's inside? Gold bars. I need my tools to open this. No!
The bear covers the basket with leaves and runs off to get his tools back to his cabin. Inside the dark basket, the popcorns wake up, scared and excited.
Where are we? I'm scared. Where are we? It's so dark.